In a small village in India, there lived a man named Arjun. Arjun was known for his kindness and generosity. He was a farmer who lived a simple life, but he always went out of his way to help others. He believed in the saying, "You reap what you sow," and lived his life accordingly. One morning, as the sun rose over the fields, Arjun set out to work on his farm. He was planting rice, and it was hard, back-breaking work. But Arjun never complained. He enjoyed working in the fields, feeling the earth beneath his feet and the sun on his back. As he worked, he noticed an old man struggling to carry a heavy sack of grain. Without a second thought, Arjun put down his tools and rushed to help. "Let me help you with that," Arjun said, taking the sack from the old man. The old man smiled gratefully. "Thank you, young man. My name is Ram. I've been trying to carry this sack to my home, but it's too heavy for me." Arjun carried the sack to Ram's house, which was a small, rundown cottage at the edge of the village. As they walked, Ram told Arjun about his life. He was a widower with no children, and he struggled to make ends meet. Arjun's heart went out to Ram. "If you ever need anything, please let me know," he said. Ram smiled. "You are very kind. I don't have much to offer, but I can give you some advice. Always do good deeds, no matter how small. They will come back to you in ways you cannot imagine." Arjun nodded. He already believed in helping others, but Ram's words reinforced his belief. He continued to visit Ram regularly, bringing him food and helping with chores. One day, as Arjun was working in his fields, he saw a woman and her young son walking along the road. They looked tired and hungry. Arjun approached them and offered them some food and water. "Thank you so much," the woman said, tears in her eyes. "We have been walking for days. My husband passed away recently, and we have nowhere to go." Arjun invited them to stay with him until they could find a place of their own. He gave them a room in his house and shared his food with them. The woman, whose name was Sita, and her son, Ravi, were very grateful. Days turned into weeks, and weeks into months. Sita and Ravi became part of Arjun's family. Sita helped with the household chores, and Ravi played in the fields. Arjun enjoyed their company and was happy to help them. One evening, as they were sitting together after dinner, Sita said, "Arjun, you have been so kind to us. We don't know how to repay you." Arjun smiled. "There is no need to repay me. Your happiness is my reward." Sita looked thoughtful. "You know, my husband used to say that good deeds never go unnoticed. I believe that your kindness will bring you great rewards." Arjun shrugged. "I don't do good deeds for rewards. I do them because it's the right thing to do." Years passed, and Arjun continued to live his life helping others. He became known as the kindest man in the village. Everyone respected him and came to him for advice. One day, a wealthy businessman named Rajesh visited the village. He was looking for honest and hard-working people to help with his business. He heard about Arjun and decided to meet him. "Arjun, I have heard a lot about you," Rajesh said. "I am looking for someone trustworthy to manage my business. Would you be interested?" Arjun was surprised. He had never considered working outside his farm. "I don't know anything about business," he said. Rajesh smiled. "You have all the qualities I am looking for. You are honest, hardworking, and kind. I can teach you the rest." After much thought, Arjun agreed. He started working with Rajesh and quickly learned the ropes. His hard work and dedication impressed Rajesh, and he was soon promoted to a managerial position. Arjun's life changed dramatically. He earned a good salary and was able to improve his farm and help even more people. He never forgot his roots and continued to live a simple life. One day, as he was walking through the village, he saw a group of children playing. One of the children, a little girl, fell and scraped her knee. Arjun rushed to help her. Are you okay? He asked, gently cleaning the wound. The girl looked up at him with big, tearful eyes. Thank you, sir, she said. Arjun smiled. Always remember to be kind to others. Good deeds will always come back to you. The girl nodded, and Arjun continued on his way. He thought about all the people he had helped over the years and how their kindness had enriched his life. Years later, Arjun retired from his job and returned to his farm. He was content and happy, surrounded by friends and family. He had lived a life of kindness and had reaped the rewards of his good deeds. One evening, as he sat on his porch watching the sunset, he thought about Ram's words, always do good deeds, no matter how small. They will come back to you in ways you cannot imagine. Arjun smiled. He knew that his life was proof of that wisdom. The fruits of his deeds had brought him happiness, love, and fulfillment.